Hello, these short videos were created to introduce Columbus Food functionality that are enhancements built seamlessly into the Microsoft Dynamics NAV solution. Using examples, we'll highlight key Columbus Food functionality that is being used by the baking industry today. For many years, Columbus has worked with various types of bakeries and their product lines. Columbus has the solution, experience, and support to meet bakeries' unique ERP system challenges. This specific video highlights the Columbus Foods key inventory attributes. The key topics will be dual units of measure and catch weights, lot aging, freshness, and visibility to item lot quality attributes, and finally forward and backward lot tracing. Let's start by looking at Columbus's dual units of measure and catch weight. Bakers may purchase ingredients in pallets, stock inventory in pounds, issue finished goods in cases, and sell finished goods in a package or a loaf. Dynamics NAV allows the user to assign multiple units of measure to an inventory item. This gives the user the ability to record transactions for the same item in a different unit of measure. As a result, all transactions are ultimately recorded on the ledgers at only the base unit of measure. But with Columbus Foods' dual unit of measure, the baker's ability is enhanced by managing the same item in terms of its base unit of measure and its bulk quantity, pounds or gallons for example. Then, the baker can choose the specific unit of measure to base the costing and pricing posting values. Bakers define if the item is catch weight or not. Catch weight allows for a greater degree of detail in that the user can record the exact alternate quantity amount for a particular transaction. By assigning an alternate, the system is recording transactions in both base and alternate. With an alternate unit, costing, pricing, and analysis can be consistent across all bakery product lines. Let's consider different lots of an item and the important attributes those lots have that are needed in the baking industry. As we know in baking, an item attributes play a critical role in various processes, including inventory and vendor customer management, production, product quality, and costing. Columbus properly manages and supports item attributes for ingredients, intermediates, and finished product types. Variation in attributes from a single item lot can be allergens, quality control elements, or even key dates, for example. In addition to basic inventory rotation methods, FIFO or FIFO for example, Columbus maintains and supports expiration and quarantine dates. These can be defined as strict, which can help maintain inventory integrity. Columbus also supports a fresh calc method, which can be best if used by, sell by, or shelf life. Columbus gives the baker the needed visibility and functionality to the item lot attributes. One tool, lot availability, offers key filtering. Here you can see a filter being set on key lot specifications, which are user-defined and unlimited. Filters allow the baker to isolate the view of their inventory based on what they consider to be important attributes. Columbus's lot status code is another attribute. This attribute both defines the lot and gives the baker the ability to define what transactions that particular lot is available for. More attributes, key aging date, including best if used by, shelf life, as well as those user-defined key specifications. All of this allows the baker to manage their ingredients' unique variability, helping the baker produce consistent, quality products to their recipe specifications. Bakeries that produce based on batch runs require tracking and tracing of key ingredients, regardless of the amount used in the recipe. In a matter of minutes, Columbus offers full lot tracing, both forwards and backwards, for mark or real product recalls. If we look at this particular lot and then drill into the item tracing, filters enable the baker to limit or expand the data range needed. Expand or collapsing allows for easier to view data by the end user. Item tracing allows for a very quick drill to the actual documents themselves. First, we see this is the actual sales order shipment, and then we continue to the production order, which makes up the consumption and the output. Finally, the purchase order receipt, where the raw material was supplied from. Since starting on the finished good item, we were able to trace back to the raw ingredients, but a simple click of the trace opposite direction instantly starts the tracing from the raw ingredient side. This is full lot tracing, not only by lot numbering, but attributes as well. That completes this overview video. We anticipate you may have more questions, and we welcome the chance to discuss further your business needs. Thank you for viewing.